Who's this? Nimrod. Okay, let's play a6. Let's see. I'm curious. I'm kind of curious. Is this interesting or not? Signal, throw you a line. Already a good opening, though. Very, very good opening position that I have here. It's in the sun. Only the good die young. Whoa, baby. Gonna go here, knight c6. All very pleasant. Only the good die young. Confirmation. Okay, let's go b5, b4, try to attack the structure. I actually like my position quite a bit already. We're going for the classic minority attack with a5, b4. Don't confuse that with other things, by the way. Just to be clear, you guys. Like this is a chess term. It doesn't mean what you guys are probably going to say that it think it means. I could trade here and play rook c8. I could trade and go b4 too. I'm trying to calculate this. I think I'm just going to trade and go here maybe. I think this might be wrong. Okay, I've got to go for the minority attack now. Yeah, don't get it twisted, as we like to say. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted and think that I'm saying something I'm not. Let's stay with a pawn. Yeah, just don't get it twisted. We'll go here, maybe knight d7. Yeah. Yeah, I know everybody's gonna start going off in a certain direction, which we don't need to go in. I'll go here, maybe knight c6 if he plays rook a7. Reputation. Hit the rook. A prayer for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guess I'll go... I can play queen c7. I can also go rook c7. I can also go rook b8. I think I'm going to go here and try to use these knights with knight c4 next move. No, it's not right. Let's go back. He's going to go back. I mean, he could sack temporarily, but it's no good. Is he really going to sack, I wonder? Try to bait him. I don't think he will, but I'm trying to bait him. It's good. Die young. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, he trades. Wow. Okay, that's kind of insane. Why did he trade? Okay, now I just need to reroute my horsey horse. Once I get the horse around, I should just be much better. Yeah, once I get this horse maneuvered, I mean, I should be in really good shape with rook c8 incoming. Yeah, this looks very, very bad. I mean, maybe it's not as bad as I think it is, but it's still bad. Wait, what? Isn't this just a free pawn, or am I... Just e5, unless I'm insane. Yeah, now it's just a free pawn. So I'm up a pawn in an endgame. I mean, it's not like it's winning or anything, but looks pretty good. All right, I have rook c2 here. I also have queen f5. I think I'm going to go here to hit the pawn first. I could have gone for the kebab with rook c2, but I kind of like this a little bit more with ideas. Maybe a double stack as well. Better. Okay, very, very slow my opponent is. Goes queen a5. Wait, what? c2? I'm just making sure I'm not hanging something bigly here. I don't really want to trade the rooks, but I guess I will. I'll go here on king g7. I'm better, but it's not actually cleanly winning. That's the only problem. I'm gonna go here, maybe king g7. Gonna slow play this eventually. Like queen f6, rook d8. Try to just slowly outskill him. Let's go here. Just guard everything. You better. Of course, I've misplayed this naturally. How do I do this? I gave him rook a2, which was very stupid. Go here, maybe queen d6. Go here, trade some pieces if I can. It's gotten a little bit unpleasant. Here. Maybe knight h6 was better, actually, but whatever. I have rook c8 now, maybe. Attack the queen. I'm way up on clock here, though. Just there. I mean, If I go here, he's got queen b8. Very sneaky. Queen b8. Knight d5. Rook a8. No, very dangerous. Okay, let's go back. Here, maybe? I feel like I missed playing this a little bit. But I got the knight to h6 is where I initially wanted it anyway. Here, maybe? Ooh, he had bishop e4. Oh, whoops. Yeah, he's got to be careful here. Here, I guess. I got to be a little bit careful. I'm kind of misplaying this a touch. If I go here, takes... It's still dangerous. Oh, do I have rook c... wait, rook c8? Queen c8, queen f2 is mate. Rook c8, rook f7, queen f7. I think rook c8 is winning, but I got to think for a second. Rook c8. Rook c8. Rook f7, queen f7. I think this is winning. Yeah, I should be winning, I think, unless I'm missing something. I'm just going to mate him. Sacking the rook to go for the mate on f2 and h2 here. Should be winning. Yeah, he's too slow, so I'm going to win. Okay, we get the win. Move to 7 out of 7.